another exciting package. I'm going to be unboxing another package in the series where Microsoft employee sent home thing. I think this will be the Surface Laptop Go. So let's take a look, guys.
Like the video if you're excited about the Surface Laptop Go like I am.
Kind of excited. Oh, it's not the Surface Laptop Go. Let's see, guys. I see. So, okay. They sent us a 10-inch LED ring light so that we can look professional in our calls. Okay, I'm mistaken. They sent us 2 of these, actually. What? This is crazy. It's another one. I think they're going way out of their way. I don't know who would use this for, like... Yeah, I think they bought this off. It's funny. I think they bought this off of Amazon. It says, like, it looks like an Amazon tag. But it says a YouTube video and photography and selfie ring. I can't believe they got us 2 of these. What the heck? This is crazy. Let's see what else. A power adapter? What? Oh, for the ring lights. Ha. 2 of them, of course. This is crazy. This is too much stuff. I thought there was gonna be a laptop in here. I'm kind of disappointed, but at the same time, wow. And they got us a laptop stand. They said this was like unnecessary to make your device elevated while you're like talking, so it's like, you know, we don't have a double chin looking down, but you know, you're elevated looking towards the camera. But this is what I got in my second package. I thought it was gonna be a Surface laptop, so I'm a little bit disappointed, but at the same time, this is kind of cool. 2 ring lights, 2 adapters for them, and a laptop stand.
Hey guys, I just wanted to mention that I am receiving a package for the Surface Laptop Go. It should be here anytime soon. So if you do want to watch that unpackaging video, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. I just want to demonstrate what the light looks like, the ring light. I'm going to turn it on right now. And there's a bunch of different settings on the brightness level. So this is, I think, setting 0.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Okay. And then we can change the color as well, or the tone of the color. This is cool light. Move it down again. And then I'm going to change it to warm light. Okay, this one's warm. Cool, this is cool. Warm. Natural. Cool. Hey guys, so that'll be it for today. I'm still using the Surface Duo, also the Surface Laptop Go, and I'm going to check it out first and see how it is, and then I'll let you guys know an update on it when I'm done with that. So stay tuned. Thank you, everyone. I also found the product that they sent to me, this ring light, the same exact one off of Amazon, so I'm going to link it down below if you guys are curious about it. It's adjustable in height. It goes taller than myself, so I think I can probably reach around, like, I don't want to say, like, you know, 5 feet, maybe like 8 or something like that. And then you're able to attach your, what is it called, your camera here as well as a phone. They have a little phone attachment, and then you can swivel this any way around. Again, the lights are adjustable. The stand is also adjustable, but super simple. It's like lefty loosey, so you can just make it loose and then change it to height, and then turn it to the right to tighten it. Guys, again, if you guys are interested, this product will be linked down below as well.
Okay guys, and if you haven't watched my other video, you can also watch my other package on unboxing the Surface Duo. And then I'll see you guys later. Like the video and subscribe. Bye!